Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes, oh yes, oh yes, oh yes, guys. Hello, hello, everybody. My beautiful people, my beautiful fans all over the world. Good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are. This Vera TV program in the building. So I greet so much. I appreciate you all. This Vera TV program in the building. Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes, oh yes, guys. Oh yes, my beautiful people, my beautiful fans out there. This Vera TV program in the building. Oh yes, I great to appreciate you a lot. Thank you, everybody all over the world, all my rap fans. I great to appreciate you all. Thank you all for supporting me. Thank you all for being there for me. Thank you all for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Oh yes, my beautiful people, and this video goes to my Pursue the Enter House TV. Oh yes, stay blessed and watch my video. Please, if you never subscribe for my Pursue the Enter House, please go. I beg my real people. Now small remember we'll start live video very soon. Go to start. I beg, subscribe please for my Pursue the Enter House TV. This video is going to Pursue the Enter House TV. Oh yes, please don't fail to subscribe to Pursue the Enter House TV. Thank you very much. I appreciate you all. So today we want to talk about friends around you, friends that come to your house, friends that monitor you, friends that pretend they love you whereas they are looking for a way to bring you down, friends that don't want you to make it, friends enemy of progress, friends haters, friends backstabbing friends. That is what we are going to talk about today. Listening shall be blessed. And please, when you see my video, don't ignore it. When you jam my video on my Pursue the Enter House TV in any of my channel, please try and listen attentively and learn one or two things from there, so that you will still know when I still upload. Still try to listen, you still get one or two things. The one when you don't like, you can drop it aside and take the one that is good, that is useful, that you can good, maybe say go good for you. It will still dey useful for you. You can still take that. Oh yes, my real people. Oh yes, my real fans. So let's go to our ogbonge topic, my people. Una know I've been doing a video since how many days now about what is going on in Europe, for those people black when they lie against black, of which is very very bad, is unfair. It don't supposed to be so. When black go see black go dey lie, if you do go say oyibo na racist, they hate black, whereas there are some black when still do racist something pass white. They just hate black, especially some wey be say they don't take for this abroad. They hate black. When they see you, they hate you. They just say, why you suppose me only them wey don't take for here dey here, why all those young one wey you corner they wan come know our secret for here. Yes, many, not all, but many wey don't say here, they dey vex say why all those young one fit come. They supposed to be here so that they use light take dey paint us when e dey house. So that one now, he have the hatred, the bad belly, the grudges against black. When he see black, he hates black. He will be like say black thief something from her. Some Oyibo go even like that black past them. Some black forget. They hate black. So now just they are racist. Not only white be racist, so more not get me wrong. Not only white is racist. Fine, white, many of them white, some of them are racist, not all. Some still good, some still love black. But me, I'm still using this opportunity to tell you guys that who black are still racist. Because why? You new corn, you want the maker. You new corn, you quit know the road. You new corn, you don't the maker pass them. So they would like to use that grudges. Or you new corn, you not do what they do. Like me now when they worry me put because they me not do a shower when they do. That is it. And they told me on my face until I leave my man before I go happy. I tell them, it can never be possible. Because you are not the one that bring me here. You can't tell me what I'm going to use my life for. That is number one hate. Because I shower when they do, me I not do one. He get picky for, I get picky for. I see young guy when he better pass their husband, marry. Man when he still go school past their own, marry, they with. And the pretend I never felt born. No be by you get picky, no be by you don't feel born. Maybe you never jam your right husband, or you never jam your right partner. When you jam your right partner, no matter, it will take you for who you are. It will take you for who you be. We love you for who you be. We love you for who you are. without conditions, without conditioning you, without giving you stress and headache, without disturbing you. Okay? It's my mother that make me be here today. So now be those one grudges because why me not do a shower when they do. I not do one. So they talk out to my face, say, make me leave my man, make me go to do a shower, and me go quit make him. Then when they do their shower, they not make him. The family member, all of them, when they do their shower, now husband has the cause he go end up at last. Husband has husband, the one where you know they see the son kankai and kankai and chicken €1. Now they say they enjoy. Nothing their husband say they'll say bring husband come outside. Make they come do competition of how to live in abroad, how to deal with both her home and abroad. Their own not reach my man. So that jealousy is there because why they first me come. That is number one hate. Number two, people when they say you go they follow they play, they will they kill you. And I thought they do this video for 6 days before today till now. Please beware of friend. Even your brother, your sister. Don't let them enter your house anyhow. Except the one when you know say he good. If they fight for you for back and you they know say yes, this person you don't they don't need to tell you say this your brother, this your sister good. That one normal. But when you say they don't they jealous you, they give you different type of not good, your husband not good. Any small thing you tell them, they hate the man, they like to spoil the man name for you. Say the man not good, we tell you before that your man not get head, or we tell you before that your wife not get head. You have to run away from those kind of people. Ask me then, and nobody will tell me how I'm going to live my life or how to live my husband. If he tire me, I mean no as I will take one. Not be you fair give me. Because I wonder why some people is in this Europe, they don't have brain. Not be the fair give you the husband. Are they the one that will still tell you your husband is not good? Not be the fair give you the wife. Now they'll still tell you your wife not good. You're supposed to know who you are at theirs because your wife where you are at theirs now they close pass. Your husband wanna gather the sleep bed. now two they close pass. Nobody else they close pass una. Now two any inner art now if they know. You sleep, now you not sleep where maybe they feel kata, they feel headache. Now that your wife go fair no before outside that. Because we're two of now they live in the same roof. Also with your wife not well now your man when they ask go see no say you better say this my wife not well. Or maybe get what they do am. Now that your husband when you wanna get that there, now you go fair no. Before any of your family will know. That is why your man and your wife is close to you most. Because you wanna stay in the same roof. Your father, your mother, your brother, your sister, your friend, your relative, they are not with you in that roof. So some men, some women have to know that. Because those jealousy start. When we say you they better pass them. You they well past them. They will like to drop you. There are many now, they will come out, they will go, they lie. Now, so you they do this one. See my other day now. They come out, they say me, they said this, me, they said that. Crow. And then they go check and say, nothing. I can say this, if I want to start anything, no problem. They say I can start. I can sell anything, no wahala. Because my bank account, they want to promote. They must know now. They must know. So now, which I now say me, they tell look all those black. I don't want to blame Oyibo. Oyibo not good. We know so Oyibo racist day. If not black, now they see they accept people like you go come their country, they will give you this, they will give that. You go say black no go to one. Some black no go gray. They will drive you back. So we are still saying those people are wicked. Now some of our blacks still make all those white still the wicked. See they tell them about ourselves. See they carry our matter go they tell them when they take their office. When they say they take their office, they do their own. Black like you go call your house finish, you go carry your matter. You go tell the say how you take they live. I have been doing this video for past 3 days now. I need to they say don't they happen. Many people don't come and say he Nana me they here. It don't happen to Rana. It don't happen to a friend. It don't happen to this. But Nana me here and Nana they say it call worst. You not go know. They call your house, call they monitor you. Call your house, call they monitor you and your children. They say this thing don't lead to many people until they collect pikin for their hands. Oh my people. It don't lead to until they collect pikin for some people hands. You not gonna say now your best friend. Now you come on go they tweet you for outside. You not gonna say now your friend when you wanna they talk. And I want to let this opportunity, I want to use this opportunity to tell my real fans, my real people. When you are doing things, I will talk for live video. I will bring and come and say, doing things back home. I go right down there. When you know you are doing anything back home, my beautiful people, keep it to yourself. Stop narrating yourself. I carry this one go house. I carry that one go house. Now start time. Why some black, their man not let them put for one place? I carry this one go house. I dey build house for house. Not be you starter. Keep out to yourself. Because those people when they tell you don't know they are bad belly. I don't tell you now, especially like me. You cannot hear how they do this one, they do that one. Because even if I tell you, you don't have support for me. You don't have money to give me. You don't say, okay, let me support you with also amount. You don't have to say, let me support you with zinc or and so on ties. So why will I be telling you how I work? Not tell me your own, I will not tell you my own. If we start to live like that, you will say and say, all those rubbish will stop. Keep your secret. It's your own something. Keep it to yourself. I do this one for us, so I buy more to go house, so I shift and go. Oh, you they tell you don't know what thing they do. She refuse or he refuse to tell you. You don't know what thing they do back home. You don't know what thing even they do for here. You don't know whether he has, whether he don't you carry container go house. You don't know, but you go the tell go they laugh for a man say see mumu, see mumu. You go they say they happy because they from yeah. Some they never do. You go they tell them the phone say they follow you they happy. You never even move step, their mind go spoil. Many days because of your husband, they will be jealous of you. Because of your children, one come here say because of his children. Because he born boy, he born girl. The area when he there for them now, so boy, so girls get all of them born. And two they dress his children. He said I be waiting that they worry and put with the come out, they go the life for our heads. Say wait till I talk, not be like say it happened to her. About 3-4 people don't come and say it happened to one, say it happened to a friend, 3 say it happened to them. Waiting friend don't do that for abroad. They'll say they want go report you say the same money go ask. They'll say they want go tell they say you they carry all money, they do something for us. Say like the one at the top, and my friend go make they collect this lady picking. Friend go make they collect have best friend picking. Because of saying man, no the close, come my house, come my house, come my house, come my house. I don't know what they buy for the house when they not see. I don't know what if I open, if you don't see me, if I show you my share, when they then I can say buy share 4,000. If I show you my share, many of them go to observe and brown. Maybe I don't send for my picture. If I tell you how much my man take buy, you go no say yes, he water. But I cannot come on live video call the chat. You know how much I take buy this one. You know how much I take buy this one. You know how much I take buy my Danny. No, it's not called for. But if I did that when I go do video for this my share, if people see and the people go look and say not common. Before you go see this kind of share now, you both has to go for sale. Not be that velvet when they didn't get by now. The pattern, the way they build it, is like it be like bird. In your pattern not common. If me do like the men of go don't say is brown. It white corn. If you see how you gonna say yes. If I tell you the amount, it water when my mouth they buy. But not to come up public. I buy this so I buy that to who you they take. Which one you want to use a partition take people? Which one you want to like for people? When you say buy 4,000. If they didn't get buy that for share 4,000, how much my man take buy you? When you go don't see the check. Not be quick on. So why will I come out and say I don't know what you happen now? My man, you buy share 4,000, you buy share 2,000. You buy this one, you buy what they put tell you. No, now. Oh, you buy this one, you buy Daniel, you buy this one, you buy that. So Mona, learn how to keep it to yourself. Stop narrating yourself. Stop telling people this is where I reach. What can reach? Oh, now we are going to don't buy for us. Oh, now we don't buy for us. Oh, and the build us for us. Oh, so not even the build they will build because they're here for person maths. So not even the build they'll go use their math to put themselves for problem. Why so go you do something for us? And they carry sound. And you buy land. Keep it to yourself. Because all you they tell my people don't know who you they tell. You don't know whether they're happy for you for there. You go back and another thing won't go do on your behalf. He won't go spoil your name. He won't go carry you around everywhere saying, for where that one for one happen. May God not let us jam on those kind of evil friends. And when you born beautiful children, when your children fine, if you see some black children for abroad, they go, I don't mean I'm not talking. Because now God still create them. But now they go there, the parents go see be the one to laugh you. Be the one to jealous you. Like when it comes, say because they dress the children they look good. Now the reason why they jealous them. Say they'll call the talk say your husband, he really man will really born those children, eat belly full, born them. Now know what that means. It's a problem with your condo, you're the verse for her. She no queen no say I don't want the verse for her, but they go they report them. Say you know they do this one, you know they do that one. So look people when they enter your house. Look people when they enter your house. Not enter man, not they enter your home. If we see for road, hello, hi, how are you doing? I'm fine. If I want to my pikin birthday, I can't go Chinese or I can't go better bar. I buy cake for them, I pray for them, we dance. So many of you go see call the cost shop. I feel use and say they feel stand because they're children. Like the one that they see and the waka con they'll say, ah, he's doing birthday. Even though they don't know it for the cake, they'll just see her follow dance or just song or follow stand picture when you get good heart. Because now smoke they do birthday. So why are you disgracing yourself? Why some people they disgrace themselves up and down? In the name of have friend though, friend go know what you eat sleep. You go know what you give picky shop. You go know cloth when you wear. You go know color of your pants. You go know color of your bra. You go know color when the rug went to your parlor. People rug went to your parlor. They go know. They go know everything went to your house. They go know whether they buy, whether they send the money go house. So I say, I just send him 1,000 go house that day. I just send 500 euro go house. I just send 300 euro go house. I just send this one. Oh, you they tell. You don't know whether now if they meeting, they say 5,000 how much they go ask. You don't know how much he say go ask before you they tell you on your own. So we need to keep some things to ourselves. This advice is for many friends. Women, men that keep friend. Not the kind of friend you keep. You know, they see Monica alone also. Now God, it's time for mommy Monica. Maybe enemy if not bogo, maybe enemy go for don't enter one chance. So tell your friends, say now you supposed to that seat. May you know say anything you are doing there is a jealousy. For long care to say now she supposed to that seat. You supposed to know that the jealousy had been there long time ago. It be the gather waiting if you want to use against Monica. So lucky God defend, God saved that one with his children and his husband. So many people not go still learn for that kind of thing. You have to learn. You have to learn. So that you will not fall victim, so that you will not be the next person to go and fall victim. So now, so my people, God go bless on the advice when I get for friends, not the friends when they enter your house. Not the enter friends' house anyhow, not the let them enter your own anyhow. It's not called for, it's not advisable. It's not good like that. They will use it against you. Wait till you know they do, they'll say they do, and then they give the camera, then they give the record. So when they'll put her for your house, you don't go know. So they'll place her for your house, you don't go know. So it'll be like this. So on a barrel. So on a four corner, it go be like this. Then if you place her for one place for your house, you go to video everything they do. You go to record and video everything when you do. Now black person they don't know be Oyibo. Black like you, now you go put her for your house, so they'll put her for inside chair record. So they'll shook her for inside your chair. You know, you will never dream of say, let me go there, go carry her. If they see play, they'll see come use pattern. Discharge you say I need juice or I need energy drink or I need entertain me, serve your guests, give me drink, you go mumu go before you come where you put and go so free carry and go come out for there, you go put them for bag, then you go carry and come out, you go plan for where not supposed plan. So it don't they happen. Record the video, don't they? Not to say they'll go put the wire camera wireless camera for record the day wireless, they don't they wire for us. You can place it anywhere in your house. Now black they do now. They can place it in your parlor. They can place it anywhere a day. Anything they do for the full apartment, for the full flat, you go the enter inside. Now call you receive, you go enter. What you talk, you go the enter. Your next movement, your next plan, you go the enter. Someday they go place it for your house finish. The control for their office. You have to wise. Now a little word for the wise men. So guys. Now my waist trainer be this. If you know you need waist trainer, this one 25 pounds. I say 25 pounds. If you know say you need, try to buy. It's very cheap. 35 pounds for this one. The other one 25 pounds. This one 35 pounds. Why this one is what? 25 pounds. You can see. You'll see and I say I wear them. I dey always wear them. I don't wake up since I don't bath. I don't eat. So I dey wear them. Not wear them once you throw when you're say Vera they lie. No, I know they lie. See this one now. You see huh? You see huh? This one how I wear yesterday, this small one and the other one now I still wear. So 25, 35 pounds. The one way gets it, 35 pounds. 30 euro for this, 30 pounds for the buying, 5 pounds for shipping. This one 20 pounds for the buying, Why £5 for the chipping? So guys, thank you very much. I appreciate you also. I'm about to go now. God bless you. Please don't forget to subscribe to Pursue the Enter House TV. More updates go they come. And for this word, when I talk, I go do video. So many people talk if una get help for this lady. Now more they happen. A friend now go spoil her name for office when they take carry a pikin. So my people, I beg, not be only one place. I not make sure any place where for the happen. Now everywhere for the happen, and they say all Euro everywhere don't they happen. So I beg, I go do video about it. So please subscribe to my Vera Comedy TV and Pursue the Enter House TV and Vera TV program. Now Vera TV program will do it for live video again. That will be my next topic. So that we'll get advice, we'll get idea, if we can help her, more will help her. If you feel return the pikin for her, more will know how we take talk and make people still contribute, still call in. So now, so my people, God will bless you. So I'm about to end it here. Thank you very much. I appreciate you. Bye for now.